If you're looking for the best VR experience, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to show you the 3 best VR headsets in 2022. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best VR headsets that are set to be released in 2022. These headsets are going to change the way we experience virtual reality, and I can't wait for them to hit the market. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. HTC Vive Pro. The HTC Vive Pro is one of the most popular virtual reality headsets on the market. It offers a high-resolution display, advanced tracking and positional audio, and a wide field of view. The headset also includes a built-in microphone and camera. The HTC Vive Pro is compatible with a range of PC and gaming consoles, making it a great choice for gamers who want to experience the best that virtual reality has to offer. 2. Oculus Rift S. The Oculus Rift S is a virtual reality headset that was released in 2019. The headset has a higher resolution display than its predecessor, and it also includes built-in tracking so that users do not need to set up external sensors. The Oculus Rift S uses the same action button input as the Oculus Quest, and it is compatible with all existing Oculus Rift games and experiences. The headset was designed to be comfortable and easy to use, and it features a hinged design so that users can easily put it on and take it off. 3. Sony PlayStation VR. Introduced in 2016, the Sony PlayStation VR is a virtual reality headset that allows users to experience immersive gaming worlds. The headset is designed to work with a Sony PlayStation 4 console, and it has been consistently praised for its high-quality graphics and intuitive controls. In addition, the PlayStation VR also supports a number of other VR content, including movies and 360-degree videos. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.